Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining a bit about our pages and menus modules, how to add, delete pages, format text, add images and create links. But before we get to that point, first of all we need to log into our CMS. In this case I have prepared my link, otherwise you just need to type the website's URL address and then /CMS. This will take us to the login page where we need to enter our username and password. Click on submit. What we use here at the moment is the administration modules, which are unique to our test website, the website I'm using at the moment. Let me just show you how it looks. Basically every content management system varies on the website, but the principle of using it is the same. So let's go back to the CMS. I'm gonna start with adding a new page. In order to do that we need to go to page 18 tab, then click on pages. As you can see now, we got our pages list on the left hand side, and we've got the details regarding the page on the right hand side. For example, the home page. We've got the page name here, the HTML title. This is the title that's displayed over here. HTML description is normally the information you see under your Google search results. In other words, it's the text you see highlighted in yellow. HTML keywords, these are basically the words you're targeting on a web page. They're typically short phrases that represent what the page is about, but you shouldn't be worried about it because nowadays search engines rate pages on the whole text, not by single words, not by like meta tags and keywords anymore. The next important field is select box field, which is over here. We've got three basically boxes on the main page. You need to choose one to be edited. For example, if I choose the main one, the text that you see here, which on the home page, is going to be over here. If I choose the second one, packaging, this text is going to be on a different place on the home page, so it's going to be this. And the third one, techniques, that's going to be down here. You can edit every single box by a choice. Let me just show you how to add a page. What we need to do is go and click on add pages. I'm going to create a frequently asked questions page and name it is just FAQ. The page type is going to be custom page. Click on save new page. So yeah, we've got our page here. Just delete this one. To delete the page, you just click on the page and then click on remove. If we click on the page, then we got a page name here. Some of the fields are auto-filled. HTML description. Now if you click on main, then we got content here. We're going to be customizing this in a second. I'm going to write down frequently asked questions. And over here, for example, I'm going to start by adding a logo. I'm going to use the Dazines logo, for example. If I right click and then copy image URL. On the CMS there is a specific button for it called image. If I click on it, then paste the image URL over here. As you can see, it's already displayed. If I want to add a link to the logo, basically when you click on the logo you're taken to another website or a part of the website, to another page, then I can paste it here, write it down. For example, if I want to add the Dazines homepage, I copy it, paste it over there. Here you can choose how you want your window to be displayed, to be opened in a new window, in the same window. I'm just gonna leave it as blank over there, and then click OK. So I'm gonna copy and paste some text as well. For example, from here. When you are pasting text into, this is called the CK editor, by the way. When you're pasting text, make sure you use this function, which is paste as plain text. Otherwise you might experience some formatting issues regarding the HTML. If you copy paste from like other websites or from Microsoft Word that's been previously formatted and you paste it, then the layout might go wrong. So make sure you always paste text as a plain text, basically using that function, and then you can edit it. You can format your text by your choice. You can use the styles, center, alignment, for example. We use title 1, then for example font, and then make sure you, when you finish formatting your text, make sure you always click on save details to apply your changes. Okay, so we've got a new frequently asked page. However, this is only a standalone page at the moment. Basically, it's not linked to any other pages. So in order to do that, I'm gonna go on the pages and then menus module. So for example, if I want to add the page on the footer of the website, for example next to the block over here, then on the menus module, as I say, page 18 tab again, then menus. If you click on footer, then you've got your pages displayed in the footer. You can just double check that these are the pages. So to add the FAQ page, it's really easy to do that. It's just going, clicking on the page and just dragging it into the footer folder, and then it should come up. So let's just double check whether it's been applied. If we refresh this page, and we see our page is displayed. If we click on it, then we got our previously formatted page, and as you can remember, I have applied the link on the image based on the logo. So if I click on it, then I should be taken to the Dazines home page. You can use the same principle to add the FAQ page to the header. These are the categories which are on the header. Services by AEC, for example, then the products. I can always go and add the FAQ page on the services, for example, just by clicking and dragging it to services folder. So if we go and double check this, it should be displayed under services. And there you go, we got our page over there as well. So it really depends on you where you want to place it. as I said, in order to delete the page, you just go click on the page and then remove. As I mentioned previously, this is the CK editor. You can use it to format your new pages. You can use it to add flash videos, format the text, spell checking functions. For example, we got our ready-made template. You can use one of these layouts. For example, if I choose image and text, then it's gonna give you a template. You can always delete this image and place another one and the text. So that's about it. The main functions to adding formatting pages and linking them to like either footer or header, so these pages are accessible from other web pages on the website. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and remember,